Goods and Services Tax (GST) and Indian Contract Act 1872. Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then Goods and Services Tax Indian Contract Act 1872. Goods and Services Tax and Indian Contract Act 1872. Date of test 1/9/2019. Date of test 1/9/2019. Final answer key. Question number 1. Address on record in the Central GST Act means dash. Answer. Address of the recipient as available in the record of the supplier. Question number 2. Dash means an instrument where there is an obligation to accept it or part consideration for a supply of goods or both, and where the goods or services or both to be supplied or the identities of their potential suppliers are either indicated on the instrument itself or related documentation including the terms and conditions of such instrument. Answer. Voucher. Question number 3. Does value of supply include discount given before or at the time of supply if such discount has been duly recorded in the invoice as per Central GST Act? Answer. No. Question number 4. Who can take input tax credit under Central GST Act? Answer. Registered person. Question number 5. Under what circumstances will the registration of GST be cancelled? Answer. Option A. The business has been discontinued. Option B. There is change in the constitution of business. Option C. The taxable person is no longer liable to be registered. Option D. In all the above cases. Correct answer. Option D. In all the above cases. Question number 6. If a registered person has not furnished the returns for dash months, his registration may be cancelled. Answer. 6. Question number 7. Tax invoice, credit and debit notes are dealt in chapter dash of the Central GST Act. Answer. 7. Question number 8. As per Central GST Act, to restore registration cancelled, the registered person has applied in prescribed manner within dash days from the date of service of the cancellation order. Correct answer. 30. 30. Question number 9. Activities to be treated as supply of goods or supply of service are given in Schedule Dash in Kerala GST Act. Answer 2. Roman letter 2. Question number 10. Custom frontiers of India under Integrated GST Act are defined in dash. Answer. Customs Act 1962. Question number 11. Supply of goods is not treated as interstate supply when the location of the supplier and the place of supply are in dash as per Integrated GST Act. Answer. 2 districts in the same state. Option A, 2 different states. Option B, 2 different union territories. Option C, 2 districts in the same state. Option D, a state and a union territory. Correct answer. Option C, 2 districts in the same state. Question number 12. Dash is zero rated supply as per the Integrated GST Act 2017. Answer. Option A, export of goods only. Option B, export of service only. Option C, both export of goods and service. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer. Option C, both export of goods and service. Question number 13. Export of goods under Integrated GST Act means dash. Answer. Taking goods out of India to a place outside India. Question number 14. Dash means the integrated tax chargeable under Integrated GST Act on taxable supply of goods or services or both made by him or by his agent but excludes tax payable by him on reverse charge basis. Answer. Output tax. Question number 15. Supplies in territorial waters as per Integrated GST Act is dealt in section dash. Answer. 9. Question number 16. For central GST registration, details should be forwarded through GST portal in form dash. Answer option A, that is GST REG 01. Question number 17. How many characters are in GST IN? Answer 15. 1 5. Question number 18. In case of any clarification is sought during the registration process, it shall be forwarded in form dash. Answer GST REG 04. Question number 19. Can a non-resident Indian apply for GST registration through GST portal? Answer possible. Question number 20. Zomoto registration may be issued by proper officer to a person liable to registration on a temporary basis in form GST dash. Answer REG 12. 1 2. REG 1 2. Question number 21. Before cancellation of registration under GST, should the officer issue a show cause notice as per central GST rule? Answer yes. Question number 22. Order of cancellation of provisional registration of GST is issued in form dash. Answer GSTR REG 28. Question number 23. As per central GST rules, a direction in form GST ADT 03 may be issued to the registered person to get his records audited by dash. Answer a chartered accountant or a cost accountant. Question number 24. For advance ruling, the government shall appoint officers not below the rank of dash as members of the authority for advance ruling. Answer Joint Commissioner. Question number 25. Tax deduction at source in GST has come into effect from dash. Answer 1/10/2018. 1/10/2018. 2018. Question number 26. Which of the form is not used for refund of tax, interest, penalty or others as per central GST rules? Answer GSTR 11. I repeat question number 26. Which of the forms is not used for refund of tax, interest, penalty or others as per central GST rules? Answer GSTR 11. Question number 27. Provisional refund shall be granted to a registered person if dash. Answer option A. He has not been prosecuted for evasion of tax. Option B. The proper officer is satisfied with the claim. Option C. Evidence is submitted in support of the claim. Option D. All of the above. Correct answer option D. All of the above. Question number 28. Acknowledgement of receipt of application for refund shall be issued in dash. Answer GST RFD 02. Question number 29. Compounding of GST offences and penalties is dealt in central GST rules under rule dash. Answer 162. 162. Question number 30. Tax deduction at source provision in GST is applicable only if taxable supply under a contract excluding GST exceeds dash. Answer 2.5 lakhs. Question number 31. All agreements are contract if they are made by dash as per Indian Contract Act 1872. Answer free consent or parties competent to contract. B. Option B for a lawful consideration. Option C with a lawful object. Option D all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. Question number 32. A minor cannot become a partner but may be admitted to the benefits of partnership. Is it true as per Indian Contract Act? Answer statement is true. Question number 33. A patient in a lunatic asylum who is at intervals of sound mind can he contract based on provisions in Indian Contract Act? Answer can contract during the intervals of sound mind. Question number 34. As per Indian Contract Act, a consent is said to be free when it is not caused by dash. Answer option A fraud. Option B misrepresentation of facts. Option C undue influence. Option D all the above. Correct answer option D all the above. Question number 35. A minor can make a promissory note Is it true or false or partly true? Correct answer, false. Question number 36. Dispatch of the goods for delivery by the supplier thereof or by any other person acting on behalf of such a supplier under Central GST Act is called dash. Answer, removal. Question number 37. Under Central GST rules, the state does not include dash. Answer, union territory without legislature. Question number 30. I repeat, answer, union territory without legislature. Question number 38. As per the tariff prevailing on 31/12/2018, which is not a rate of GST? Answer, option A 28, option B 45, option C 18, option D none of the above. Correct answer, option B 45. Question number 39. Cost of an article that attracts 18% GST is rupees 1000. What is the amount the consumer has to pay? Answer, rupees 1180. Rupees 1180. Question number 40. The matters related to loss of revenue to states and compensation arising out of implementation of GST are detailed in dash. Answer, the goods and service tax, compensation to states act 2017, the goods and service tax compensation to states act 2017. Question number 41. While calculating the compensation to the states, which year is taken as base year? Answer, 31st March 2016. Question number 42. Which of the agreement in restraint is not void? Answer, agreement not to carry on. I repeat, question number 42. Which of the agreement in restraint is not void? Option A, marriage. Option B, trade. Option C, agreement not to carry on business of which goodwill is sold. Option D, legal proceedings. Correct answer, option C, agreement not to carry on business of which goodwill is sold. Question number 43. Active concealment of a fact by one having knowledge or belief of the fact is dash. Answer, fraud. Question number 44. Claim of the input tax credit on the same invoice more than once shall be communicated to the registered person in form GST. Answer, MIS 1. Roman letter 1. MIS 1. Question number 45. Annual return for GST is given in dash. Answer, GSTR 9. Question number 46. Contract caused merely because of a mistake of one part as to matter of fact is? Answer, not void. Question number 47. Time for performance of a contract when no time is mentioned in the contract, it is taken as dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer, reasonable time. Question number 48. To get registration as tax practitioner, a person has to register in the required form through electronic portal dash. Answer, directly or through a facilitation center. Question number 49. The electronic liability register of the registered person shall be debited by dash. Answer, option A, amount shown in the return only. Option B, tax, interest, etc. as ascertained by the proper officer only. Option C, amount of mismatch under section 42, 43 and 50 only. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer, option D, all of the above. Question 50. For every registered GST person, a dash is maintained. Answer, electronic cash ledger. Question number 51. Refund is dealt in chapter dash of Central Goods and Services Tax Rules 2017. Answer, 10. Roman letter 10. Question number 52. Dash means such supplies of goods as may be notified under section 147 of Central GST Act. Answer deemed exports. Question number 53. Territory which is outside the taxable territory is called dash. Answer non-taxable territory. Question number 54. When two or more persons make a joint promise, the promisee may, in the absence of express agreement to the contrary, compel dash of the joint promises to perform the whole of the promise under Indian Contract Act. Answer any one or more. Question number 55. A breach of promise of marriage is dash under Indian Contract Act. Answer actionable. Question number 56. A return furnished under subsection 1 of section 39 on which self-assessed tax has been paid in full is dash as per the General GST Act. Answer. Correct answer option C, valid return. Question number 57. What should a registered person display on the name board? Answer. Both certificate of registration and GST identification number. Then question number 58. For amending the GST registration, an application is to be submitted in form GST REG dash. Answer 14. 1-4. Question number 59. On default in payment of GST by a person, the GST is recoverable dash. Answer option A, from any money owing to the defaulter. Option B, by sale of goods of the defaulter. Option C, by sale of movable or immovable property. Option D, by all the above. Correct answer option D, by all the above. Question number 60. The challan for deposit of goods and service tax is in form GST dash. Answer PMT 06. Question number 61. Dash means a contract for building, construction, fabrication, completion, erection, installation, fitting out, improvement, modification, repair, maintenance, renovation, alteration or commissioning of any immovable property wherein transfer of property is involved in the execution of such contract. Answer works contract. Question number 62. Scrutiny of returns under central GST rules is detailed under rules dash. Answer 99. Question number 63. The procedure for determination of value of supply of goods or services where the consideration is not wholly in money is dealt in central GST rules under rule dash. Answer 27. Question number 64. Which of the following need not be maintained by owner or operator or of warehouse and transportation in the book of accounts with respect to the period for which particular goods remain in the warehouse? Answer copy of the accounts of suppliers. Question number 65. Under Integrated GST Act, supply to special economic zone is dash. Answer option B, that is 0 rated. Question number 66. Dash filed by an exporter shall be deemed to be an application for refund of integrated tax paid on goods exported out of India. Correct answer shipping bill. Question number 67. Goods and Services Tax Compensation to States Act has dash sections. Answer 14. 1-4. 14. Question number 68. In the case alternative promise, one branch being illegal and other part is legal, then dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer legal part can be enforced. Question number 69. Order sanctioning interest on delayed refund is in GST dash. Answer RED 05. Question number 70. Dash has been introduced to avoid cascading taxes without any means of set off. Answer goods and services tax. Answer goods and services tax. Question number 71. If a taxable person has suppressed any transaction, the proper officer can inspect dash. Answer option A, transaction relating to supply of goods or services. Option B, stock in hand. Option C, details of input tax claimed. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 72. Quarterly return for registered person option for composition levy is given in form GSTR. Answer 4. Question number 73. The value of supply of goods between the principal and his agent shall be the open market value of goods so at the option of the supplier dash percentage of the charged for the supply of goods of the like kind and quality as central GST rules. Answer 90. Question number 74. Section 39 of Central GST Act deals with dash. Answer furnishing of returns. Question number 75. In case of dishonor of check of insurance premium as per Contract Act 1872, the insurer dash answer need not perform his part of the promise. Question number 76. As per Kerala GST Act, dash means a distinguishable component of an enterprise that is engaged in the supply of individual goods or services of group of related goods or services which is subject to risks and returns that are different from those of the other entities. Answer business vertical. Question number 77. In the Kerala GST Act, composition levy is detailed in chapter 3 under section dash. Answer 10. Question number 78. As per Kerala GST Act, who among the following has to furnish details of outward supplies? Answer a registered person except the above 3. I repeat question number 78. As per Kerala GST Act, who among the following has to furnish details of outward supplies? Option A, input service provider. Option B, non-resident taxable person. Option C, a person paying taxpayer provisions of section 10, 51 and 52. Option D, a registered person except the above 3. Correct answer option D, that is a registered person except the above 3. Question number 79. Is TDS in GST is applicable where the payment is made to an unregistered person? I repeat question number 79. Is TDS in GST is applicable where the payment is made to an unregistered person? Answer no. Question number 80. The Kerala State Electricity Board Limited is making a payment of rupees 3 lakh to a supplier of printing and stationery with invoice dated 10/10/2018. Is TDS under GST applicable? Answer yes. Question number 81. As per Indian Contract Act, 2 or more persons are said to dash when they agree upon the same in the same sense. Answer consent. Question number 82. What is not true when tax collected but not paid to government? Answer no hearing opportunity will be given. Question number 83. The registered person shall within dash days from the date of his becoming eligible to avail the input tax shall make declaration on the common portal in form GSTR ITC 01. Correct answer 30. Question number 84. A tax invoice should contain dash as per central GST rule. Answer option A, name and address of the supplier. Option B, name and address of the recipient. Option C, GSTN number of the supplier and recipient with the HSN code of goods or services including value. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Question number 85. On receipt of advance payment with respect to any supply of goods or services or both, the registered person issues a receipt voucher but subsequently no supply is made and no tax invoice is issued. The registered person may issue to the person who has made the payment a dash against such payment under the Central GST Act. Correct answer refund voucher. Question number 86. Payment of TDS under GST is dash. Answer through e-payment. Question number 87. A agrees to buy from B a certain horse. It turns out that the horse was dead at the time of the bargain, though neither part was aware of the fact. Is the agreement void as per Indian Contract Act? Answer, void. Question number 88. Every electronic commerce operator required to collect tax at source under section 52 of the Central GST Act shall furnish a statement in form dash. Answer, GSTR 8. I repeat, question number 88. Every electronic commerce operator required to collect tax at source under section 52 of the Central GST Act shall furnish a statement in form dash. Answer, GSTR 8. Question number 89. A dash is maintained in form GST PMT 01 for each person liable to pay tax, interest, penalty, late fee on the common portal. Answer, electronic liability register. Question number 90. The maximum rate at which goods and services tax compensation cess that may be collected for aerated water is dash percentage. Answer, 15. Question number 91. The seized goods while transporting without EVA bill or necessary document may be released on a provisional basis upon execution of a bond for the value of good in form dash. Answer, GST INS 04. Question number 92. Which ledger is not maintained under central GST rules? Option A, electronic liability ledger register. Option B, electronic credit ledger register. Option C, electronic cash register. Option D, electronic account register. Correct answer, option D, electronic account register. Question number 93. The generated challan for payment of GST in form GST PMT 06 shall be valid for dash days. Answer, 15. Question number 94. Which of the following is appealable as per Kerala GST Act? Answer, an order by the state bench of the appellate tribunal. Question number 95. Who can extend the date of filing of form GSTR 7 through notification? Answer, Commissioner of State or Central Tax. Commissioner of State / Central Tax. Question number 96. Dash means a place which is characterized by a sufficient degree of permanence and suitable structure in terms of human and technical resources under integrated GST Act. Answer, fixed establishment. Question number 97. Application for deferred payment or payment in installments are given in form dash. Answer, GST DRC 20. Question number 98. The amount of input tax credit available in the electronic credit ledger of the registered person on account of state tax shall not be utilized towards payment dash. Answer, central tax. Question number 99. The provisions for removing the difficulties under integrated GST Act is given in section dash. Answer, 25. Question number 100. Which of the following tax is not submerged in the GST? Answer, building tax. Thank you.